We have 3 SKUs. One is for wrinkles, that's called Revive, and this is very moisturizing. Even though it comes in a light serum, you can see that texture is very light, but it's got a ton of hyaluronic acids in it, which a lot of lines do. These are all natural based. It has aromatherapy, so you can smell it, and then it also has what's called adaptogens, which adapt to your skin's needs and basically de-stress and de-inflame, so they're anti-inflammatory. It has biodynamics, which means it works with your microbiome, and we can talk about that on the scientific level. And it has other biodynamics which work with your own body heat. So some of us are prone to flushing, getting red, and that's actually increased heat in the skin. That creates a lot more inflammation in the skin. So this has a really amazing enzyme here that is heat activated. So the second you start to flush, this enzyme starts working and cools off your skin and de-stresses your skin. So it stops that whole vicious cycle that we see in flushing and rosacea. So this is the best anti-wrinkle moisturizer, great day, every day, morning.